Hey, what's up guys, Gizmodit here, and I hope you are enjoying the Redmi 5 content on the channel. Recently I made a full in-depth review of this phone, so in case you guys haven't seen that, then please watch it. It took me a lot of efforts and I'll drop a link to it in the video's description. So today's video is about this announcement that Xiaomi made a couple of days back for its bezel-less smartphones. So Xiaomi said that it's bringing iPhone X like gestures to its phones like the Mi Mix 2, Mi Mix, Redmi 5 and the Redmi 5 Plus. As of now, these gestures are only available on the developer ROM of these phones. So I had to install the developer ROM on my Redmi 5 and I've been using these gestures and I have to say that it's a pretty cool feature. So to enable these gestures, what you need to do is go to the settings menu and then select the full screen display option. Here select the full screen gestures and then the phone will take you through a tutorial explaining the three gestures that it has. So basically you have three gestures for the home button, the multitasking button and the back button. So to go back to the home screen, you need to quickly swipe up from the bottom of the display. So when you do that, the phone will take you back to the home screen from any of the app that you're using. To pull up the multitasking menu, you need to again swipe up from the bottom of the screen, but then this time you need to hold it for a second and then the phone will open the multitasking tray. All of this happens very quickly and then you can select your apps that you are using and then remove them from the memory and so on. So that way you can pull up the multitasking menu. And finally, to emulate the back button, you need to slightly swipe from the left or the right side of the phone, and that will emulate the back button and take you back to where you were. So these are the three gestures that the Redmi 5 supports. It's a really nice gesture by Xiaomi to include these features because all of these phones have on-screen buttons, so they take up a little bit of the area on your display. With the full screen mode and these gestures, you can eliminate that area and get more of the screen real estate. So a big thumbs up to Xiaomi for including these features. Now, as I said, it's only available on the developer ROM so far, and I think it'll be coming to the global stable ROM really soon, so please be patient for that. Coming back to the Redmi 5, it's probably launching in the last week of January in India. I've already made a lot of videos about it. I've made a full review, camera comparison, gaming review and so on. So in case you guys want to watch it, I'll drop a link in the video's description. And in case you guys want me to make any more special videos about the Redmi 5, then also let me know in the comments so that I can produce them before the phone is officially launched in India. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll catch up with you guys in the next video.